our chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine, to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing today? It is a beautiful Wednesday morning. It's so bright and sunny in my house. Oh, I love sunny days. They just bring me so much joy. It just makes me feel good. It is about 9:30 this morning. I already made breakfast, cleaned the kitchen, and also started a load in the dishwasher. Now I have my workout clothes on because I will be doing a workout soon. But first, before I do my workout, I need to check out my plants and see what needs to be watered, what needs some pruning, what needs just a little bit TLC. I haven't mentioned to you guys that my husband and I actually started a online plant store, and it has been wonderful. Yeah, everything has been wonderful with our plant store. Right now we're just really trying to get our name out there. We've been doing some pop-ups here and there around Atlanta. We've really been enjoying that. So it's been so fun. We had one last Saturday in East Atlanta Village, which we've done that like a couple times already, and we just love it. We've been getting so much positive feedback from everybody. And the thing about it, plants just makes me happy. I am absolutely loving, you know, the plants and caring for them. And already we can see a difference in our outlook on life. It's crazy how caring for plants or just nurturing something makes me feel good. Desperate Houseplants. So check us out. I'll leave the link down below. You can also follow us on Instagram, Desperate Houseplants ATL. But yeah, girl, I am so excited. This has been amazing thus far, and I'm so excited for the journey to come. Hopefully one day, well, we're praying one day and we're manifesting that one day we will have our own store. Like I said, we do pop-up shops. We also been doing like little plant parties, and we'll also do rentals for events. If you guys have an event coming up and you need some plants, I'm your girl. So guys, I want you guys to spend the day with me. I'm not really doing much. I'm gonna be taking care of some things in the house, and I do want to go out to the store. I want to probably go thrifting. I haven't been thrifting in a while, and I've been having like that urge to thrift. Like when I have that urge to thrift, that's when I find some of those good items. So when I have the urge, it's like I gotta go. It's like I have to go.
John. Sometimes you need to be mad at me. You can't be me, I ain't did nothing. Shit, you can keep that shit G. You can keep that bitch kicking. Nah, I play how I get. For real. You gotta hold that shit back. Tell me. Guilty conscience, why you move how you move? I showed love too soon, before I got to know you. But I still showed love like I knew you. You pretended to be street like Nunu. These hoes drive through and you like cook food. Putting hours in that work, but she scam too. I'm the type to push and fight if I love you. Guilty conscience, why you play with my mind? That's why sex don't feel the same. Let me know if I'm wasting my time. I swear your vibe changed. When I ask what's the problem, you say nothing. Know how to make me mad, you pressing buttons. It's a curious case, Benjamin Button. I gave you the real me, no make loving. My pain run deeper than the sea. but I'm still out here loving. What's the excuse? It's always something. Cause I'm coming stepping hard if they don't respect you. You know a nigga special, I'm on a spectrum. God took his time and really bless you. I don't know where you start acting all weird. You and that other nigga must made some deals. I rub your back till you sleeping. How long I got your back, it depends. Them hoes single, how you listen to your friends. Guilty conscience got you moving like a man. No feelings. How long I'ma show love, it depends. If you could be honest, if I'm not him, just let me in. But you tell me that we can't be friends. I've been busy, I ain't lying. You know I ain't forget. Independent, but on me you depend. How you feeling? You ain't saying what you feel. I ain't playing, you know I keep it a mill. But how you act in the end is conscience. Why you move, how you move? I showed love too soon before I got to know you. But I still showed love like I knew you. You pretended to be street like Nunu. These hoes drive through and you like cook food. Putting hours in that work, but she scam too. I'm the type to push and fight if I love you. Guilty conscience.
So guys, I got a good workout in. I worked on my abs. They feeling nice and tight and right. Now I am starving. I am so hungry. It's 1 o'clock now and I'm getting ready to enjoy my lunch. I think I'm just gonna make a chicken, like a chicken bowl from leftovers. We had tacos last night, so I'm just gonna make me a little chicken bowl with the leftovers. And I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. Then I'm gonna hop in the shower, get my clothes on, and I'm gonna try to hit up a couple thrift stores. I may just go to one today. Now that time has passed by so fast, I wanna be out of the store by 3 o'clock. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll have time. I'm gonna hurry up and eat and get dressed, and I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. I feel so refreshed. That feeling after you take a nice hot shower after your workout. Ooh, so relaxing. I'm feeling good. I got my clothes on. I need to do something to my hair, girl. Look at my hair. It's a mess. And I don't feel like doing anything to it. Yesterday I had it wrapped up in like a little hair tie. Well, it's actually a shirt. And I'm just gonna wrap my hair up in this shirt right here because I don't feel like doing my hair. I'm looking cute on the bottom. I'll show you guys my whole outfit once I'm done. I think I did like a little clip of it, but I'm wearing like this little skirt. It's like a skirt, like a wrap skirt that I got from the Goodwill. I thrifted this skirt for like $6. It was a steal. I was so happy when I found this skirt, but it's so cute. It's a size medium and it fits a little bit big, but it fits nice. You can't really tell. I wish it could be a little bit tighter if it was a small, but you know, that's all they had in the thrift store. And I just paired it with this little white ruffle top that I got from Zara. And I did do like a Zara, actually this is from TJ Maxx and it's a Zara top that I purchased. And if you have not checked out that haul, I did do like a TJ Maxx haul where I purchased all Zara items. So I'll link that video if you want to check out the things I got. But girl, let's do something to this hair. So I'm just gonna put some avocado oil on my hair. Just gonna wrap my hair really quick. I don't feel like doing nothing to my hair. I do have some collabs coming up. So I'm just gonna give my hair a break for a moment. And I'm just gonna slick my edges. to edge control, and I'm just gonna slick up my edges some. Y'all, lately I have not been in the mood of really like wearing any makeup. And I think it's this heat, child. And also I've been taking advantage of how nice my skin has been looking, girl. Look at the glow, look at it. I am in love with my skin now. I've always, like I always mention, I've struggled with acne skin, and girl, my skin in my 30s, like the 30, well, I'm 36 now, my 35-ish skin, it's been looking good. But honestly, ever since after I had my son, I feel like I've really noticed a transition in my skin. And I no longer wear foundation. I stopped using foundation. I found out that foundation actually was the cause of a lot of my breakouts. I'm done with foundation. Foundation is very bad for your skin, especially if you have problematic skin or oily skin like I do. Foundation is not good for you at all. I just stick to powders, and ever since I've been doing that, my skin has been flawless. Let me go ahead and put this head wrap on. So this is just a long like shirt that no longer fits me, and I like to wear it as a head wrap. So I just pretty much fold like the inside of where the head goes. And I think I have like a tutorial on my Instagram, so check out my Instagram at Live Laugh Love J Marie. And I did do like a little get rid of me showing you guys how I do this. It's probably been like a year ago now. So I stick my head right in it, all around, and then I just start to twist. Twisting both sides where the arms are. And then they kind of meet up right here, and I twist and tuck. I don't want any of the little loose pieces in showing, so I kind of tuck it. And now that I got that, look, my edges are messed up, but it's okay. So now we're just gonna wrap. Just to wrap it around. I'm trying to make sure I tuck these little pieces right here, because we want it to, we want people to think it's a scarf and not a shirt. Then I'll go back and grab this, because this side always comes off, and that's why I fold it. That way you have more fabric, and then just wrap and tuck just like that. And we got a cute little head scarf. Pull on this just a little bit. There we go. All right, now that I got my hair all together, I'm just gonna throw on just some brows. Put some clear gel on my brows, and I got this from the dollar store. Well, no, not the dollar store. I got this from the hair store. I cannot find the e.l.f. clear brow gel I like to use. I've been searching in all the Targets, all the Walmarts, and they no longer have it in stock. I'm happy I found this one at the hair store, so I'm just going to continue to use this one, because it's pretty much the same thing. Then I'm going in with this crop mascara, lengthening vegan mascara, and I just love this mascara. I have been into like the vegan mascaras and more natural, because I went through a phase where my eyes were very irritated, like from my contacts, and I also think it was from the mascaras that I was using. I'm following up with this Merit Tinted Lip Oil. And this is in Sangarita. I absolutely love this stuff, y'all. And I pretty much use it on my lips, my eyelids, just to give it a little color sometimes. I don't know, I may put some on my eyelids, so I put some on my lips, and then I do like to go in and put some on my fingertip and just dab some on my eyelid. And just give me a little shine, a little natural looking shiny glow. Same thing. And just pat. I mean, it's so minimal, but you get like that natural glow that I absolutely love. Just pretty much basic. You know, like that clean girl makeup is really what I've been into lately. Like that barely there makeup where my natural skin is still showing. That's just what I've been into since I've gotten older. I've always done like crazy makeup, you know, wore a lot of makeup in my 20s, but it was like after I had my son, I just don't have the time anymore, girl. I don't have the time, and all of that, and I'm more in love with my time. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I do for my face. I like to keep it simple. It's heat. Nobody got time for all that. And I picked up these earrings from Shein. They are so cute. I'm gonna put these on today. Oh, they're so lightweight. There we go. I'm just gonna pair it with these brown little sandals that I thrifted about 2 years ago from Rampage. And then this little brown bag that I got from Target a while back. It has this cute little gold chain. I had both of these things for like 3 years now. And I think it looks really cute with this outfit. Really cute, girly, and I am ready to go.